Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hi, hello.
Hello. Hello, good
Yeah,
evening.
nice to meet you.
Yes, it's me, Teacher Barbie, and we will have our placement test about speaking for tonight.
Yeah,
And before we start, let me just check a few things. Can you hear me and see me clearly?
yeah,
Perfect.
I, yeah,
That's amazing. So please note that for tonight's placement test, we are going to have our short introductions, and at the same time, we will be having part one and part two questions. Okay, and there might be a possibility that I am going to check your pronunciation also. All right, are you ready?
yeah, I'm ready.
Perfect. So now let's start. So, what's your full name
My name is Vũ Linh Trang.
and how do you spell your name?
Um, my name is Trang.
Thank you so much. And how old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
And are you working now?
Yeah, I'm working as a officer.
Hmm. And what's the name of your company?
My company name is Agribank, Bank of Rural Develop Development.
Thank you so much for the information. So, once again, I'm teacher Barbie from the Philippines, and I'm not Vietnamese. I'm a foreigner here. All right.
Yeah,
So, definitely, I don't understand Vietnamese. Okay.
yeah,
So, all throughout our conversation, we will be talking about English language. Okay.
yeah,
So this time we will proceed with part one. And it talks about the first topic is hometown. So
yeah.
where are you from?
I'm from Hạ Long City, Quảng Ninh Province. It is uh, a north province of Vietnam.
What is it again?
It is located in north of Vietnam,
Is it Quang Binh?
Hạ Long City.
Halom City, Quang Binh.
Yeah.
Okay, amazing. And what can people do there in your hometown?
In my hometown, people usually work o- in office and um and uh, and they are also and work as work tourism.
And what do you like most about your hometown?
Um, Most in my hometown, um, they work tourism and um, uh, business.
All right. So what is it famous for?
Um, uh, it's famous for um, uh, it's famous for tourism and um, uh, aquaculture.
And is it easy to travel around your hometown?
Yeah, it's a coastal province and it has heritage. Yeah,
Is it easy? Like, can you travel by a bus or any taxi
uh,
or
it's
motorbike?
it is very convenient to travel by taxi and cars, and people mostly work by car and motorbike.
Is there anything you dislike about your hometown?
Sorry, I don't I don't understand.
Is there anything you dislike or you do not like about your
Uh,
hometown?
in my hometown, I like the breathtaking um mountains and breathtaking um, beaches.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and I don't like and it's a very developed city. And in and I dislike my city in um, maybe work chance
I
because
see.
I think that is um few works
All right. So would you like to live elsewhere?
elsewhere.
Yeah, like in
I
other
like
city?
um where
Elsewhere means in other city like Ho Chi Minh or Hanoi. Would you like to live in Hanoi or in other city?
I want to live in Hanoi, but I don't like the atmosphere in Hanoi because uh, it's so very uh, uh, very don't clear atmosphere and very crowded.
All right, so that's the first topic, and the second topic will be about free time. Now,
Yeah.
what do you usually like doing in your free time?
In my free time, I usually hanging out with my friends, and uh, we 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 usually go shopping together, and um, go go watching movies in cinema.
And what activities do you often spend your free time on?
I spend time uh, with my friends to watching books and watching movies in my free time.
And how do you often relax during the weekends?
During the weekend, I go the I go to a holiday with my family to release stress and unwind after hard working.
And is there any hobby or activity you wish you had more time for?
I wish I have more time for playing sports because playing like pickleball or swimming because sports makes me good health and keep fit and also give me recharge my battery after daily life.
All right, thank you so much. Now we'll proceed to the third topic, which is about staying up late.
Yeah.
And do you go to sleep early or you stay up late?
Um, I stay up late because yeah, I work all day in the morning and I have few times in the evening, so I have to sleep late for work.
And what were you doing when you stayed up late last time?
Um, I stayed late last time for um learning English like this. uh, and learn IELTS for to take the IELTS course.
All right, thank you so much. So now we'll proceed with the fourth topic, which is about the internet. And when did you start using the internet?
I use internet um, uh, work work and for my study. Um, uh, because internet very convenient for me to um, uh, to work and um, also learning new things like languages.
All right. So, um, the question is, when did you start? Was it like when you were still a teenager, something like that?
Uh,
Did you start
I
using the internet when you were 10 years old or 12 years old, something like that?
uh, I I'm I used internet in maybe 10 years old very soon. Yeah.
Wow. And how often do you go online?
I online most of time. Yeah.
Is it every day?
Yeah, every day.
And how does the internet influence people?
Um I think internet gives helps them to helps people to um helps people for work and helps people um for chat together.
All right. So do you think you spend too much time online?
I think I spend too much time because maybe I'm addicted with them.
So what will you do without the internet?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
What would you do without the internet if there's no internet?
With, without internet, I can play sports and reading books instead of use internet.
All right, that's it. And now let's proceed to part two questions.
Yeah,
Let me just share my screen this time so that you can see my screen. Give me 1 second. Okay, here you go. Can you see my screen?
yeah,
All right. So in this part, you are going to have 1 minute preparation. And after 1 minute, you're going to respond in 2 minutes to say something about these questions. Please prepare a pen and a paper with you.
yeah.
So, part two, famous person. Describe a famous person you'd like to meet. Who this person is, where you'd like to meet this person, how you know this person, why you'd like to meet this person. Your 1 minute starts now. Time is up. Now you have 2 minutes to respond. Your timer starts now.
Yeah. A famous person I like to meet is my idol singer. Um, I uh, I met I met her in the event festival. Um, I she's an unknown person. I love when when I was a child. Um, when I was child, I watch I watch her so much in the TV, and I'm I like to meet I like to meet her um because when I watch and when I watching her in the TV, her she's makes me feel happy and very very um, um, pleased when uh, so she makes me release stress after my working hard. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, you still have 36 seconds left. All right, this time we will proceed to the second question. Okay, this is about lesson. Describe a lesson that you remember well. What that lesson was about, when that lesson was, what the teacher taught you, and explain why you remember that lesson well. Your 1 minute starts now. Time is up. Now you will be given 2 minutes to respond. Your timer starts now.
Uh, the lesson I remember well is the English lesson when when I was 15 years old. My teacher Charles taught me about the languages in the first time, and um, I love the lesson because the lesson makes me uh, can explore the world and get more knowledge about the world. And um, teacher Charles um, very uh, thoughtful to give me know know the knowledge.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay, you still have 1 minute and 6 seconds. All right, so thank you so much. And that's actually the end of our placement test for tonight. You did good and
Yeah,
amazing. Thank you so much. So shall I call you, is it Trang?
yeah. My name is
Okay.
Trang.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
nice to meet you, Chang, and I can't wait for you to join my class.
yeah.
Thank-
I hope
Yes,
that it's
thank
very
you so
quick.
much. Yes, thank you so much, Chang, and have a nice evening. See you when I see you. Bye bye, and thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you so much.
See you. Bye bye.